Cheaper isn't always better. Let me show you the difference between the blue cheese grater that I bought a few months ago versus the yellow one that I have now. The blue one can only fit a fourth of a block of cheese, whereas I can fit the entire block of cheese in the yellow one. The blue one does come with a lock feature. However, when you start to use it, it does not stay locked into the countertop like the yellow one does. The cheese does get stuck in the blue one quite a bit, so between getting it unclogged and it coming off the countertop, it does take me a lot longer to grate cheese with the blue one. But with the yellow one, it takes me less than a minute to grate an entire block of cheese, which I love. This is more than just a cheese grater though. I have used this to dice up cucumbers. I've used it to shred up cabbage. You can use it for so much more than just cheese. It does come with 5 different blade attachments that you can easily interchange. It's all dishwasher safe, which I love because I'm lazy. I don't like to hand wash dishes. The yellow one is only a few more dollars than the blue one. It does come with free shipping, and let me tell you, it is worth it to spend those few extra dollars to get a good quality cheese and food grater. Highly suggest this product. I have it linked down in the orange bag. Definitely check out the holiday sales and any coupon. Good Christmas gift idea as well.